In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the DS20 Mirage assault rifle here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and equip the weapon and go into your gunsmith and go up to the customize tab up at the very top and into the camo section right here where you're going to want to select this multiplayer tab. Now there's going to be a lot of prerequisite camos that you need to unlock in order to make your way to Arclight, but the basis of it is doing everything to unlock Shattered Gold. Now I have a full method breaking down how you can get Shattered Gold here on the DS20 Mirage, so make sure to check out that video on the channel if you want a full breakdown on how to get this. But essentially, not only are you going to have to get Shattered Gold here on the DS20, but you're also going to have to get it on 6 other assault rifles here in Black Ops 7. At the time of making this video, there is only 6 assault rifles here in Black Ops 7. But in the future, there's probably going to be more as, the seasons come along. You don't have to do more than 6. Just do 6 and you'll be able to move on to the Arclight camo, which essentially is just getting 10 double kills or better with the DS20 Mirage. Now the method for this is super simple. All you need to do is make sure that you're playing hardpoint or any objective based game mode. Hardpoint is by far the best. And essentially all you need to go ahead and do is just make sure that you're sitting a little bit outside of the hardpoint, but close enough to make sure that you can actually see into the hardpoint, because when you see 2 people of the opposing team in the hardpoint, you're going to want to take them out quickly in succession so that you can go ahead and knock out a double kill. You just have to do this 10 times and you will unlock the Arclight camo. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.